So what's the best way to make $100 per day as a complete beginner that has never started a business online? Now, I have made over $82,000 with this one company, and this is only one out of 30 passive income streams. And I'm going to show you how a complete beginner can start making their first $100 online and start making money from the comfort of their home. Now, throughout this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps and a very simple website to start making money online. This is exactly what I did to start making my first $100 online, then my first $1,000 online as a complete beginner, and I was still working my 9-to-5 job. This is the exact same thing that actually got me out of my 9-to-5 job, and I went all in on this business model. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated, and I started this online business back in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting this business, I was able to leave that engineering job in 9 months and go all in with this online business. Now guys, the purpose of this channel is to help you get out of that 9-to-5 job. I come out with videos almost every single day to help you do that. So if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so as I mentioned, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps on how to start making your first $100 per day, and this is as a complete beginner. Now the cool thing is this is just one company that I promote, and as you can see, we've done over $82,000. Typically we'll make about $6,000, even $10,000 a month. This is passive reoccurring income, okay? And I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to explain exactly with this company right here, but not only can you do it with this company, you're going to be able to do it with multiple companies, so you have multiple ways of making money, okay? As I mentioned, I have over 30 passive income streams paying me because of how I built this system. Now guys, the business model that we're going to be talking about today is affiliate marketing, and I'm going to explain how this works if you're brand new to my channel. Now, basically the first step with affiliate marketing is we're finding a product that we don't own. Now, it doesn't matter what type of product. It could be a health product. It could be, a make money online product. It could even be a product on like Walmart or Amazon. It's just someone else's products that you can now promote, okay? And then basically from there, if someone buys those products, we can now earn commissions, okay? So it's very simple. It's a very simple business model because obviously you don't have to go and create the products. You can go essentially just find proven products, okay? Now in this particular video, I'm gonna show you how I promote this product right here called ClickFunnels, okay? I like this one because for a few reasons, right? There's monthly reoccurring revenue. So this is a software, so people pay every single month. So essentially, once you get a person inside of this software, they're gonna pay every single month, AKA passive income, okay? And that's what I want to teach you in this video. So that leads me to step number 1 is finding an affiliate product. Now, again, we can go and find tons of affiliate product, but in this particular case, we're just going to use ClickFunnels as an example. Okay. I'm going to show you how this works, what the actual software does, and why you would even want to promote it. But more importantly, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you some resources to help you start promoting this very, very quickly. Okay, so once we find a product, that's going to lead me to step number 2, and we have to know, what does the product actually do? What's the actual promise that it's helping its customers achieve? Okay, so let me show you real quick. If we go to the ClickFunnels website, you can see, if we just read through here quickly, create beautiful sales funnels. If you go down, you can see that you can basically create these websites that help businesses make sales and collect leads. Okay, now if we scroll down here, we can see you can generate leads, you can sell your products, you can follow up with customers. It's really important to understand what the product actually does. Okay, it says need to know more about what it does. Me personally, I use this product, so I know exactly what it does. But if you're promoting a product, I highly recommend that you do some research on what the product actually does, because it's going to be a lot easier to promote. Okay. First of all, we need to actually sign up to be an affiliate for this product so we can get our own tracking links. So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom here, you can actually find this link right here that says affiliates. Okay. So if you click on this link right here, you can actually sign up to be a ClickFunnels affiliate absolutely free. Okay, so you can go here, you can sign up, and you can start promoting ClickFunnels products. Okay, as you can see here, you can earn up to 40% monthly reoccurring revenue, which is my favorite thing, because again, this is going to be monthly revenue every single month. Okay, and the more people you get to join the program, the more people that are paying every single month. Now, there's a ton of other programs that you can promote within the ClickFunnels affiliate program. As you can see here, they have like the .com secrets book, expert secrets book. There's a ton of products that you can promote within this program itself. That's the reason why I like promoting it, because there's a ton of other things, a ton of other products, softwares, books that you can promote just within this program itself. All right, so once you create an affiliate account with ClickFunnels, you can simply scroll down to the back office and you can see all the different products that they have that you can start promoting. Now, the main thing that I like to promote is the actual ClickFunnels software, which is this link right here. Okay, you can literally click on this and you're going to get your link to promote the software itself. Okay, this is the monthly reoccurring revenue. Now, there's some other really cool programs that they have, like for example, the One Funnel Away. If I click on this, they actually have this program that pays you 100% commissions. Okay, so basically it's a challenge that helps people get their first funnel off the ground, and you would get 100% commissions for everyone that buys. Now, that's another program for another day. In this particular video, I want to focus on ClickFunnels trials or ClickFunnels software. Okay, this is when people actually sign up to use the software, right? This is the monthly reoccurring revenue. So for example, the software is $97 per month. It could go up to $297. You would get 40% of this every single month. Okay, so that's the cool thing about the software. That's why I like to promote the software, because you're going to get the monthly reoccurring revenue. Now, before I get ahead of myself, I know what a lot of you are thinking. How the heck am I going to promote a funnel builder, a website builder? Like, who the heck do I even promote that to, right? So we're trying to target people that need more leads, that need more sales to their business. Okay, and I'm going to go more into detail about that, but that's where the money is made. If you could understand your target customer, then that's when you can make a lot more money. Okay, I think a lot of people do this wrong because they just try to promote the software to everyone when not everyone needs it, right? There's only a small amount of people that need it, but the small amount of people that need it are actually going to buy it, they're going to use it, and they're going to pay every single month. Now, let me give you an example. Okay, so let's just say there's a chiropractic company that needs more leads to their local business, right? They might not know how to create a funnel or a website, but you can refer them to ClickFunnels, where then they can now create this funnel, they can create this website that's going to get them more leads and sales to their local business. And guys, this works for any business, whether it's a local business, an online business. Let's just say it's a course creator that needs more leads and sales. This software can help essentially any business owner get more leads and sales. But I want you to understand that it's important to understand who you're trying to serve, the audience you're trying to help, and you're going to make a lot more money if you could understand that concept. All right, so let's move on to the next step. We know which product we're going to promote. We understand what the product does, and we now understand who we're trying to serve and the people we're trying to help. So the next part is, how do we actually promote the product? How do we get the traffic? How do we get the customers to buy this product? Well, there's a few different things that you can do. Okay, the first one is you can create a website. Okay, a website that creates reviews on the actual product. Let me show you an example of how this works. Now guys, I'm on Google, and let's just say someone goes to Google and types in something like, hey, ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, which is basically another funnel builder that's like ClickFunnels. Okay, so if people are going to go and type this in, you can create this website that gives people a review or a comparison. Okay, so for example, I'm going to click on this first one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Basically, it gives people a comparison of the two softwares. Okay, this is called a review blog. Okay, now the cool thing is you guys can go in here and create a very simple website almost for free, and you can start creating these blogs. Okay, now it's very simple. You can literally just go and find something similar and model this, or you could go watch YouTube videos on the two platforms. But this is one of the easiest ways to start making money, and I'll show you why. Because what they do is they give people a comparison of the two softwares. This is where it becomes powerful, right? This is the affiliate link to the actual software itself, right? So they can go and click on this link and it'll go to either ClickFunnels or Kajabi, or you can do both, right? You can now become affiliates for both of these companies, right? So once you do the reviews and show the comparison, you can essentially get your link here, right? And this would link right here, okay? Now guys, this method is going to be a complete hands-off, you're in the background type thing where you're not getting on video. This is for my people that don't want to create videos, don't want to create ads. You literally just want to write blogs and have people read your blogs and click on your links. This is the way to go. Now guys, if you are interested in creating a blog or a website, just like I showed you here, where you're doing comparison type reviews, then I do have a free course. I'll link that down in the YouTube description. And this will show you exactly step by step how to create a website from scratch. Okay, this is a completely free course, guys. I show you how to build the website, how to find the reviews, the keywords, and essentially you're going to be doing reviews just like this where you can rank on Google. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that with this free course. This is the link right here, just so you can see exactly the free guide. This is completely free for you guys, for people that just want to start a blog. Now, the next question I get on how to create these blogs is, well, what type of blog should I create, right? Besides review blogs, what are other things people are typing into Google to find my blog so they could click on my links? Well, there's a special tool that I use that's going to help you come up with blog ideas so you can start writing these articles. Here's a website called wordtracker.com. And we can start by typing something very simple, right? We know that ClickFunnels is a software that helps people get more leads, right? So I'm going to put something like more leads, okay? Something like that. And let's see what this gives us, okay? So basically, it's going to be looking for keywords based on what I just wrote, okay? So you can see here, you know, it gives you the volume, which is huge, guys. This is how many times per month people are searching this, okay? So generating B2B leads, generate local leads, that could be a good one here. So about 475 people are searching that per month, okay? The goal is to write articles based on these keywords, okay? So for example, this could be a good one right here, right? How to get more leads in real estate, right? So 138. So it's a lower volume, but typically that'll be less competitive, okay? So what we can do, we can write an article on how to get more leads in real estate, show them that they need a funnel builder, aka ClickFunnels. We then link them to our ClickFunnels link inside of the article and we make money. Now, the cool thing, guys, is you don't just write one article, right? You can write multiple articles to multiple keywords so multiple people can find you and click on your links, right? And that's how we start making more and more money, right? So many things, right? How to create a funnel. People are going to be typing in how to create a funnel. We can create a blog on how to create a funnel and lead people to our affiliate link. Remember, we want people to type this stuff into Google. So we already know what they're typing, right? We can literally see what they're typing, right? How to create a sales funnel, how to build a sales funnel, how to create a funnel. These are literally multiple blogs that you can start writing, okay? And then after people find us, they click on our blog, they read the blog, consume our content, but within the blog itself, that's when you make the money because you have the links within the blogs, right? So for example, if I click on another one here, let's just go how to get more leads. Okay, I'm just doing this to see what we can find here. Let's go to lead generation. So basically they're going to give people some really good content here. More importantly, you'll notice that they're going to have links inside of here. Okay, this is how they're making the money. Yes, they're giving people free information, but they're making money because they have all these affiliate links within the blog itself. Okay, so very, very powerful, guys, because you can see here, you can promote multiple products with one blog. Okay, ClickFunnels is just one idea and one product that you can promote. You can promote multiple things. As you can see, they're literally giving people a ton of different options and ideas within this blog itself. Okay, so now we know that we need to create a blog. We need to find the keywords so people can find our blog, and then we can link our affiliate link within that blog. What's the next step, right? Well, you can simply send people directly to the affiliate link, but there's an extra step. This is more advanced, and you can make way more money by doing this simple step, okay? And that's by giving out something for free, okay? So for example, what I do, instead of sending people directly to ClickFunnels, what I do is I exchange a free book or a free thing so they can give me their email, okay? This is very powerful. Let me show you how this works. So what most people are doing is they're creating this blog, right? So let's just say they're creating this blog here and they're sending people directly to the product, okay? Which is okay, that works, okay? But the only problem with this is you're not collecting any emails. If you collect emails, you can now create this database, and now you can go ahead and follow up with those customers, okay? This becomes extremely powerful because once you collect emails, you now have your own business, okay? This is what got me out of my 9-to-5 job. So what I recommend is giving something out for free in exchange for an email. Now, the thing I give out for free is this free book, all right? This is a free book I give on how to leave your 9-to-5 job. Now, within this book, this is really cool, is I actually promote ClickFunnels. So if I scroll down here, you'll notice that I actually promote ClickFunnels within the book. Yes, I'm giving them free value. I'm giving them a free book, but this is where I make the money because now people are clicking on this link to get ClickFunnels or the products that I'm recommending. Now, this is where it becomes extremely powerful because I'm now collecting emails, right? I'm saying, hey, you know, give me your email address in exchange for this book. And once people download this book, they consume the content. I'm building my personal brand, but more importantly, I'm building this email list, right? People are actually giving me their email where I can then give them the book, but now I have this email where I can follow up with multiple products. Now, I'm going to tell you from experience, I highly, highly recommend building your asset, your email list, to build your online business. That's the thing that's going to get you out of your 9-to-5 job because now you control what you can make per month. Okay. The more emails you have, essentially the more money you're going to make per month. For example, if you have 1,000 emails, you should be making around $500 to even $2,000 per month, depending on how good you are at sending emails. But that's another thing we could talk about in another video. Now, throughout this video, we just talked about blogging. There's so much other ways that you can get traffic to the ClickFunnels affiliate program or to any affiliate program in general. You can create a YouTube channel. You can create YouTube reviews. You can create YouTube how-to videos, which is what I do. You can create TikToks, Instagrams. You could also do paid traffic if you don't want to create any content at all. There's so many ways to start getting traffic to your affiliate links. And that's what I talk about on this channel. So if you guys want to learn more, please follow me because I'm coming out with multiple videos every single day. Now, if you want access to that book that I showed you earlier and you want the funnel to give away as your own, then I want to invite you to my challenge. This is a challenge that's going to help you get started in your online business, help you build an email list, help you get started on the path of leaving your 9-to-5 job. Not only do I teach you the skills, but I give you the book, I give you the funnels to start getting up and running as fast as humanly possible. So that's going to be linked in the first link down below in the YouTube description. If you have any questions at all, please comment on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.